Hello, friends. I got a challenging problem for you. Are you ready? All right. Well, I want to briefly talk to you about math tools. Sometimes you might use math tools to solve problems, like 10 frames, manipulatives, number paths, or even your fingers to count on. So today's problem, you might use a math tool or a math strategy instead of drawing your work. Let's go ahead and read it so you know what I'm talking about. Bear and Rabbit are playing a game. Whoever gets to 10 first wins. Bear has 7 points. How many more points does he need to win? Rabbit has 8 points. How many more points does he need to win? Some of you might be thinking of a good strategy, like using your fingers to count on. If you use a strategy like that, you still need to figure out how to draw counting on in a math drawing. So maybe you're going to draw how many they have and then show us how many more they need in a different color. Maybe you want to draw a number path and in your video show us how to count on. Those are just a few ideas. You need to write a number sentence to show us how you got to the answer. And then write a sentence telling us how many more points Bear needs and how many more points Rabbit needs. In your seesaw video, this is where you really shine. If you use the counting on strategy, show us in your video and talk to us about how it relates to your number sentence and your math drawing.